We don't care who likes it or not, as long as we know it's the truth. As long as we know it's the truth.
Every law is illegal. Every government upon the face of this earth today is illegal.
Feel alright, saying let's get together and feel alright. Whoa, 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 whoa. Let them all pass all their dirty remarks. One love. There is one question I'd really love to ask. One heart. Is there a place for the hopeless sinners who has hurt all mankind? Just save his soul, believe. One love. What about a one heart? What about let's get together and feel alright? As it was in the beginning, one love. So shall it be in the end. One heart. Alright. Thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. Let's get together and feel alright. One more thing. Let's get together to fight this holy Armageddon. One love. So when the man comes, there will be no doom. One soul. Have pity on those whose chances grow thin. There ain't no hiding place from the Father of creation. Yeah, yeah.
And them crucify Christ, remember? Christ was a Christian and them crucify Christ, saying is not a what.
Let's get together and feel alright.
We say to you, Brother Bob, we thank you